Up, everybody. Today we're doing a game unboxing video. So let me bring all my games that I have. Okay. They're all gonna be a mystery, and you will not know which kind of games I have until I show you. And after that, in the comments, you can tell me which kind of games you want me to play next. Okay. The first game is. Let's see what we have here. It is a Connect game named Victorious Time to Shine. It has it's for everyone. And it also has all these things on the back saying you can create your character, you can sing songs, you can sing all the songs on the TV show. So let's put that over there. Okay, the next game is the video I made, Wipeout. Played before. It's for 10 and up. 10 and up. And for everybody. Everybody and 10 and up. And $5 at GameStop. I bought it myself. But if you have the Pro membership, you can easily get it for up to $4. And it's not the same with this one because I bought it at Walmart for $5. So let me just put this right there. I have the Victorious one. Now the next one is a race car game, which I know everybody likes, and it's PGR. I remember me getting this from GameStop. Besides, it's for everyone in 10 and up. Let me just crack this out. Has the CD in it and everything. Yeah. So I thought this would be a good idea because I know many people do toy unboxing, and I want to do my own game unboxing. Okay. Then now, this one is a hockey game. It's for everyone up in 10. And it's for Xbox 360. All my games are for Xbox 360. If you want me to do a Wii one, sure, we'll do one for Wii. If you guys say it down in the comments. Now, our next game is Ultimate Valorant. We have Teen. It's for teen only, but I like playing it. And you can collect all these players during missions if you're really that good. And I have unlocked all of them. So, yeah. The next one, many people play this, even some famous gamers play it. Like, not like PewDiePie, but I guess, like I'd say, Strawberry 17, Popular MMOs, Gaming with Jen, Kelly, as usual. Oh, and also Stacy. Minecraft, Xbox 360 edition. It's known by Mojave for 10 and up, but almost everyone plays it, so I guess it's not that bad unless people are really scared of the you don't really have to be afraid of the creepers or like the zombies or like the skeletons, but some people are also afraid of Enderman. I used to be, but not anymore. Because last time I killed one with a bow. See, there's an Enderman on the back. It's one of these long people that are blocks. And automatically, they're like the tallest people inside the game. They can, first they're like at one place, like this. They're at one place, then boom. They're at that place. So, those are what Endermen are. Oh, and they can, and everything. They can also pick up blocks. And everything they have inside their hand, they'll have it too. So, yeah. And it's for Xbox, Live. Almost all the games I have are for Xbox Live. Like this one that says right here, NBA 2K16, 313. It says it's better with Kinect sensor. So yeah. Now, the next one, is also an NBA game. It's NBA 2K11. Michael Jordan signed on it. And oh, this is for everyone. Everyone. Oh, and so has this one. Sorry, this one's also for everyone. Almost all the basketball games are known for everyone. And this is another basketball game. I'm sorry. Okay, this one is 2K16 for everyone. Again, has Stephen Curry on the front. I love the Golden State. If you do, please tell me inside the comments. And most but not least, also another NBA game. NBA 2K11. It's for everybody. And as you see, and this is the number NBA video game. The number one NBA video game. Because I really loved playing that game. So that's all the games. All of the games. Tell me which one you like, and I'll be doing a Wii U one if you want me to down in the description. See you later. Bye.